everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am going to be setting up my planners for May. I have my Catchall planner and then my social media planner, which I will be setting up in this video. I have some sticky notes that I'm going to be pulling from as well. So I will be pulling from this book right here. And I'm gonna first start off in my Catchall because I like to pre-plan for the month in here. Now I do have, let me pull these out. I don't exactly know some things. I'm not as like prepared, I feel, for May, but we're gonna go with it. So birthdays, okay. So I'm gonna just trying to figure out what I need to pre-plan. So Mother's Day, I like to put a sticky note wherever there's something I want to put a box when I am planning. When I actually put all my stickers down. Let me grab a pen. So I'm gonna put Mother's Day here. Memorial Day, because Memorial Day is a day off from work, so I do want to note that one. Let's see what else. I usually know what days, I go to Disney every month. I have a pass, and I usually know what days I'm going to be going, but this month I don't, because I'm trying to see if I can go on Saturday, but there aren't any reservations open, so I'm going to have to try Friday night to see if anybody cancels. So that's still kind of up in the air if I can go then, but I think maybe... And honestly, I haven't even reserved any dates. So I'm just gonna keep this open. Probably when I plan this, I will have that figured out, but right now I don't. So I can't put those down. But I do know that on this Friday, I have a day off from work. So I'm just gonna put day off. I always take a day off, like one Friday off a month. So that's my day off. I don't think there's anything else going on. This is a very nice, like, chill month after April, which was, it was hectic but a lot of fun. I did a lot, but I'm glad to have like more relaxed month ahead. So that's good to see. All right, I'm gonna grab another type of sticky note. I think I'm just gonna do like these little ones right here, just to put some bills that are due. I'm gonna put here, I just note a couple of them. So rent, and oh, and I'm actually gonna do a budget setup, like planner setup for my budget, which has all of my bills that are due. I only put like the big ones here. So that one, I have one over here for my internet. And then my phone. Okay, so that's basically it. That's all I'm gonna note for this month. Okay, yeah, I think that's it. All right, so I'm gonna put this back in my planner, and then that way I can start pre-planning my spreads, because I like to pre-plan the spreads that I'm going to do for the month. All right, so for this week I got some new sticker books from Live Love Posh. So I'm going to do a Live Love Posh spread. She's coming out with 4 new sticker books this week, or this week, and so I'm going to use one of the new ones. I haven't decided yet which one, but there's 4 different ones, different themes. Okay, Mother's Day, let me see. Mother's Day is this day, which is the 12th. So this is going to be a Mother's Day spread. Let's see if I have stickers for that kind of theme. Mother's Day. Okay. And then this week, oh geez, how many weeks do I have? I have a few weeks to plan. Okay, I have 3 more weeks. Let's see, this week. Memorial Day is on, oh, you know what? I need to write the dates on here. So 12, 10, 27. Okay, so Memorial Day is on the 27th. So I guess I can do like a Memorial Day spread. Okay, and then I don't have any new sticker books, or else I would use them. Well, Happy Planner sticker books is what I mean. So I think I'll do a small shop on this one. Small shop. And then this week, oh, I should do a squad spread. I haven't done a squad spread in a bit. I'll just do a squad spread. Okay, so that is basically as very like minimal planning, but that's okay. Okay, so there's that. Again, I'm looking forward to a very chill month ahead. Okay, so those are all the spreads that I'm going to be doing for this month. All right, now to go into my, it's gonna be a quick video, I feel. Okay, now into my social media planner. I'm gonna go to May. And I need to redate this whole thing because right now it's set up for like more teacher kind of layout, Monday through Friday. I need Monday through Sunday. So I need to change this up over here. So basically, let me just take it out. I'll do one on camera. And let me just double check something. Okay. So I'm just gonna take a Mildliner. I like to take like a Mildliner. And then I will write in the date. So I got 29, 30, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? And then I'm going to wipe this stuff out over here. And this will be covered up with boxes that I can relabel. Okay, so let me do this part first because I like to write in the day of the week over here. So we got Monday, just on top, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay. And then I'm gonna find some boxes for this side. So sometimes I just like to grab an older book that I have, maybe that I haven't used in a bit, to pull from just so I can use my stickers. Okay, I have a really cute sticker book. Cozy Critters. This one's super adorable. I love these pet ones. But I have boxes in here that I can use. Like I could use these. These I could use. I'm gonna use, let's see, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I can use these right now. Okay, so I'm gonna pull these. And for me, it doesn't matter if it doesn't like go with like the color scheme. This planner is just pen and paper. Sometimes I put stickers in it, but for the most part, it's just pen and paper, just like a functional spread to use to keep track of like all the social media stuff that I need to keep track of. So yeah, it's just super helpful to have everything on here. All right, so I got the boxes going down the side, and then I'm just going to put my categories inside so that way I can relabel these categories over here. So this one's going to be filming. Oops, filming. Next is YouTube. Next is Patreon. affiliates, and Instagram. So what I like to do, actually I'm going to use a different pen because I like to write, like check things off by using a Mildliner. So like I know some things I can write in here now, so I'll write them in right now. Since I have time, I feel like this video is not going to be very long. So for affiliates, like Live Love Posh's release is on Friday. So I'm just going to write here, Live Love Posh at, I believe it's 1 p.m. Central Standard Time. And then I think Planything has a release this week too. So I'm just going to write Planything at, and then I can write the time. And then whatever else is going to be releasing this week, I can write that here. And then here I like to write what I'm filming for each day, like what I need to take care of filming wise. Here I try to do my schedule, my YouTube schedule. And then this is Patreon stuff. That affiliates is any kind of releases and Instagram posts and stuff. Okay, so that is good to go. So now I just basically have to just repeat this process and fix all of these pages. So this one can go back in here. This one is all done. And I'm just gonna pull this page and then flip this around. This one will go this way. So now I can do the same thing, write the date first, and then go over with the day of the week and cover up the sides. So all my redating is done. I kind of messed up a couple of times. I was watching something while I was doing this, and I kept like flipping the order of these two for some reason. I don't know why I kept doing that, but here I did affiliates first, then Patreon. I could remove the stickers and put them, but honestly, it doesn't really matter. So it's fine. But yeah, I redated everything. I used stickers from this, whatever I could find. Again, because it's just a good way to use your stickers, especially in books that you haven't grabbed in a bit, or you maybe don't plan on using. I might even pull some of these like cute little decorative stickers in, because sometimes that's fun. Like these, I love the animal ones. They're just so adorable. So I feel like these bird ones, these are nice because they won't take up like a lot of room. And I could just like, oops, I could just like stick them here just to add a little bit of fun on the page. But yeah, that's gonna be it for my redating of this. And then I kind of want to work on this a little bit, because I like to do a little key over here and just show like how I use this part of my planner for social media stuff. I need some Mildliners. I should take this out. It's easier to work on it this way. So I'm gonna do a few colors. Sometimes I change these up during the week. So I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need 6 colors. 6 different colors. Yellow, and then I could do orange. Okay, so those are 6 different colors. And then I'm just going to do my categories. So plan with me, a setup video. So setup, budget, affiliate. So if I have to do something for an affiliate, like a release or something like that, then I'll do it. And I'll have the colors on what I'm doing. How-to video and a haul. Those are kind of the main categories that I usually do when it comes to my videos. Okay, and then I'm gonna assign each one a color. So this one, Plan With Me, is gonna get pink. So we'll do pink over that. Setup video, let's see, I want budget to be green because it's money, so I like to do green for budget. Let's see, I'll do the blue for a setup video, which is basically this video is a setup video. I should go all the way across. Okay, setup, and then affiliates, I'll do purple. affiliates. How to will be yellow. And then haul will be this orange color. Okay, so when I like to use this monthly to map out the month when it comes to my videos. And then I like color coding because then I can really see like what type of content is going to be coming out. So that's always good. Like for instance, I always do on Saturday, I always do a cash planning video. And then on Sunday I do cash stuffing and also a classic plan with me. Okay, and then I can just highlight this. This will be a budget video. So we'll highlight that in green. And then I'll highlight this one in green. And then the classic plan with me will get a pink. All right, cool. And then I believe Planything has a release on Wednesday, so I'm gonna write Planything. And Plant Affiliates is purple. So I'm gonna get the purple, just do a little highlight of that. Okay, and then Live Love Posh has a release on this day, so I'm gonna put Live Love Posh. So again, I can really see like my videos. So now like Thursday, I like to at least have one video a day. Sometimes I go too much and I will put 2 videos up a day, sometimes 3. It's kind of ridiculous. But if I have like affiliate stuff that I need to post that day, then that's gonna take, like I need to post that. But then sometimes I have another video I just want to do for myself, like in post, then I'll kind of do that too. Because like on Friday, I also do a shop with me. Yeah, I know. So much content. Shop with me. Like where I'm using my envelopes. I've been doing those on Friday, so I'm just gonna note that over here. So yeah, a lot of content. That's just like the first week. I just need Thursday. I'm gonna figure out something to do for Thursday, but that's basically the first few days of the month, and then it kind of goes repeat. Like I always do a cash planning again on Saturday. I do classic plan with me Sunday, and then I have things scattered throughout. But again, this just helps me to just see everything on, like map it all out so I know what's going to be going on, and that way I have an idea of what I need to film and stuff. So that's kind of how I use this color coding to help me track everything in my social media planner. Okay, so that is it. That's everything. That is my social media planner, and that is also my Catchall planner for May. So I hope you all enjoyed watching me set up for my planners for the new month. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next one.